Have you ever seen a car that looks like it rolled straight out of a sci-fi movie? That's the Aptera, part spaceship, part solar-powered miracle, and a glimpse of what the future of driving might look like. It promises freedom from charging stations, zero emissions, and jaw-dropping efficiency. But before you fall in love with its futuristic design, there's something you should know. The Aptera isn't for everyone. In fact, there are some solid, practical reasons why this car, as advanced and revolutionary as it is, might not be the right choice for you. So let's break it down and talk about 7 reasons why the Aptera might not be your dream car. And trust me, the last one might surprise you. Let's start with something simple but important. The Aptera is a 2-seater vehicle, and that's it. No back seat, no jump seat, no hidden third option. If you have a family of 4, friends who love tagging along, or kids to pick up after soccer practice, this won't cut it. It's not built for big families, it's built for efficiency and simplicity. Think of it as the perfect commuter or adventure car. Something you take when it's just you or one companion going somewhere that matters. In my case, I've got a minivan for the heavy lifting. But the Aptera? That's my freedom machine. The car I take when I want to drive light, clean, and solo. Now here's something that tests your patience. You won't be getting it anytime soon. Aptera is still in its beta phase, meaning they're hand-building prototypes, testing, and refining everything before mass production. After beta comes delta, then gamma, and finally, full-scale delivery. So if you order one today, the most optimistic timeline is around 2 years. Maybe more. This isn't like walking into a dealership and driving home an hour later. It's more like pre-ordering a piece of the future and waiting for it to be built from scratch. If you're excited by being an early adopter, the wait might feel worth it. But if you need a ride right now, Aptera might not be the one for you. Here's a curveball. Depending on where you live, you might actually need a motorcycle license to drive it. Because of its 3-wheel design, the Aptera is legally classified as an autocycle, not a traditional car. That's perfectly fine in most U.S. states, 47 to be exact. But in New York, Massachusetts, and Alaska, you'll need a motorcycle endorsement. It's a small but significant detail that might turn off some buyers. If you don't want the hassle of getting one, or don't feel comfortable with that requirement, it could be a deal-breaker. Laws may change in the future, but for now, it's something every potential owner should know. If you love towing trailers, boats, or campers, the Aptera is not built for that lifestyle. There's no tow hitch, and probably never will be. The entire design philosophy behind this vehicle is efficiency, lightness, aerodynamics, and minimal resistance. Adding a trailer would ruin all that, adding drag and weight that completely defeats the purpose. Sure, you could probably rig a small hitch if you really wanted to, but it would compromise the car's performance. The Aptera is meant to glide effortlessly, not pull anything heavy behind it. If your weekends are full of camping gear or boats, this isn't your companion for the journey. Efficiency. That's the soul of the Aptera. It's not designed to be luxurious or flashy. It's designed to be the most energy-efficient vehicle ever made. Every curve, every line, every component serves one purpose: to reduce drag and maximize range. That's why it can travel up to 1,000 miles on a single charge and even gain extra range just from sunlight. But here's the trade-off: limited cargo space, unique proportions, and a few small inconveniences. If efficiency isn't your priority, those quirks might drive you crazy. But if you appreciate smart engineering and sustainable design, every little detail will make you smile. Let's talk about the way it looks. Because, let's face it, the Aptera doesn't look like any car you've seen before. Some people think it's stunning, futuristic, and revolutionary. Others think it's weird, maybe even a little alien. But that's intentional. It's designed for performance, not to win beauty contests. Its aerodynamic shape is what gives it that spaceship vibe. If you love standing out and want something that sparks curiosity everywhere you go, you'll love it. But if you prefer traditional car designs that blend in, this might feel too out there for your taste. And that's okay. Innovation often looks strange before it becomes normal. Now, this last one might be the biggest deal breaker. You'll get attention. A lot of it. Drive an Aptera, and you won't go unnoticed. People will stare, point, take pictures, and ask questions wherever you stop. You might feel like a celebrity without even trying. Some owners love it. They enjoy educating others about clean energy and future tech. But others find it exhausting, especially if they value privacy. So if you prefer to blend into traffic and avoid curious strangers, the Aptera might bring more spotlight than you want. Until these cars become common, it'll be a rolling conversation starter. So there you have it. 7 honest reasons why the Aptera might not be for you. But here's the flip side. If you care about innovation, sustainability, and efficiency, this vehicle might just change how you think about driving. It's for people who love progress, who believe in better design, and who don't mind leading the way. The Aptera isn't just a car. It's a statement about the future of clean energy. It's for those who want to be part of something bigger, something visionary. So what do you think? Is the Aptera your kind of car, or not quite yet?